Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am comfortable. You, sir?
I'm also good, ma'am. Today we are going to have some basic questions of the IELTS. And the first question is, do you like sports?
Yes, of course, I love sports because I really enjoy outdoor games.
What is your favorite sport and why?
Uh, to be honest, my favorite sport is badminton. I play since my childhood. I love to play that game very well.
Do you often watch sports on TV?
Yes, of course, I usually watch sports on TV. Whenever I get free time, I prefer to watch games.
Did you play sports as a child?
Yes, of course, I play lots of games in childhood, like badminton, kho-kho, kabaddi, and sometimes I do running also.
What is the most popular sports in your country?
Uh, in my country, there are several sports which are very popular, but one of them is cricket. That game is very popular in my country.
How do most people in your country keep fit?
Mostly they do some outdoor activity, and also they do gym, and they maintain their health due to their follow their diet plan also.
Okay. Do you often watch TV?
Yes, of course, I usually watch TV whenever I get free time, and also mostly on weekends I watch.
What sorts of things do you watch on TV?
Usually I watch only that kind of things which is related to news and politics, and generally the stand-up comedy I love most, like comedy show, Kapil Sharma show.
Do you ever watch foreign programs or films?
Yes, of course, I watch lots of foreign films like Three Idiots and Avengers.
Okay. What did you watch on TV when you were a child?
In childhood, I watch mostly cartoons and the fairy tale stories.
Do you think children should watch TV or not?
I think children should watch because they give some ideas and some manners and the thinking of their mind.
Do you like the changes and why?
Yes, I love changes because it's necessary in everybody's life. If we got any change, then we feel very good.
What do you plan to change next year?
Next year, I want to go abroad because I will study in for my master degree. That's my plan these days.
Have you changed a lot since your childhood?
Yes, of course, I completely changed since my childhood because in childhood I am very crazy and not mature, but now I am completely mature and think very well.
Are there any positive changes in your country these days?
In my country, these days completely changed because of one major difference is due to because of corona, and the another is the education system and the other kind of facility are developed day by day.
How do you celebrate New Year?
Usually I celebrate my New Year with my family at night nearby 12 o'clock, and we cut a cake and sometimes we bake a cake by own, and sometimes we drink together and play some songs.
How did you celebrate the last New Year?
Last year we celebrate New Year on our terrace. My whole neighbors are together. We play some game and also some bake some cake and drink and make food and enjoy a lot.
What was your best New Year's party so far?
My best one of them is last year party because in this party first time we invite my whole neighbor. That's why we enjoy a lot.
Okay. Do you enjoy your birthdays?
Yes, of course, I love to celebrate my birthday and enjoy a lot.
Do you usually celebrate your birthdays?
No, it depends sometime on situation, because if my family is not uh, with me, then I not want to celebrate my birthday.
What did you do on your last birthday?
Me and my family are together, and after that we bake a cake, and then we cut that cake and celebrate very different way.
Do most people celebrate their birthdays with a party in your country?
Not all of, but some people like to do celebrate in party way, but some people only celebrate their birthday at their home.
Which birthdays are considered important in your country? The birthdays which are celebrated with friends or family?
I think it's depend on person. Uh, some person are celebrate their birthday only with their family, and some want to spend their gorgeous time with their family and friend both.
Did you enjoy your childhood?
Yes, of course, I enjoy a lot my childhood.
What is your first memory of your childhood?
My first memory is when I start talking, because my father made that video of that particular situation.
Did you have a lot of friends when you were a child?
Yes, of course. In childhood, I have lots of friends, but these days I don't.
What did you enjoy doing as a child?
At childhood, I love to enjoy do outdoor games, play lots of outdoor game, and after that, I love to do study a lot with my elder sister.
Are clothes important to you?
Yes, of course, clothes are important not for me as well as this is for everyone.
What kind of clothes do you usually wear?
I usually wear comfortable clothes like t-shirt, jeans and lower, sometimes some gowns.
Do you ever wear the traditional clothes of your country?
Yes, of course, in several occasions like family function and the festivals, I love to prefer wear traditional clothes.
Where do you usually buy your clothes?
To be honest, I not buy myself my clothes. My mom bought for me my all kind of clothes. She usually bought from a particular shop which is nearby my house.
Have you ever worn a uniform?
Yes, of course, in childhood, in school time, every day I have to wear a school dress, a uniform.
Do most people in your country follow fashion?
Yes, of course, a lot of people these days follow fashion because they are crazy about that.
Do you often use a computer?
Yes, of course, I use laptop when I need to find out related to my study.
Do you prefer desktops or laptops?
I love to prefer laptop because it's easy to carry and it's good to go anywhere.
What do you use your computer for?
I usually use my laptop for the study purpose, and sometimes I watch some videos related to news and comedy.
Do you think it's important to learn how to use a computer?
Yes, of course. I think everyone need to learn laptop because it's compulsory these days in every kind of profession.
This is the end of speaking part 1.